Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to change search engine Bing to Google in Microsoft Edge. So right now, whatever we are searching in Edge, it is searching in Microsoft Bing. So we will change this one. So click on three dot, open settings. Once open, click on privacy, search and services. Second option. Okay, then scroll down and click on last option or address bar and search. Now click on this drop down menu and from here you can select any search engine. So we will select Google and simply closing the browser. Now whatever we will search in this browser, it will search in Google. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.